Forehead wrinkles are a normal part of aging, but there are steps you can take to reduce their appearance and prevent them from getting worse. Applying a retinol cream to your skin every night before bed can help reduce forehead wrinkles, since retinol is derived from vitamin A. Vitamin A can increase collagen production and skin cell turnover, which gives your skin a more youthful look by smoothing out the wrinkles. You can also incorporate an exfoliating product that contains glycolic acid into your skincare routine. Glycolic acid exfoliates the skin, revealing healthier, smoother skin underneath. Eating a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly will also keep your skin looking its healthiest. Remember to always wear sunscreen when you're outdoors, since sun damage accelerates aging and can make forehead wrinkles worse. For faster and more noticeable results, consider Botox injections. Botox blocks muscle contractions in your forehead, softening wrinkles and stopping them from getting any deeper.